This video shows a signal system I designed and built from scratch for my model railroad. The purpose of the signals here is a bit different from what you typically see elsewhere. There are 4 point switches, which are also called turnouts, in the layout. The signals indicate which way the train will proceed if it continues. So it is red or green for each path at a turnout. I designed and built this because if a train continues on a path where point switch was the other way, the train derails. I'm not near the turnout point, so I cannot see which way it is pointed, but with a signal I can see it from the distance. I do have a panel that shows the direction of point switch, but I found that is not enough. The basic components used for building this signal system are dwarf signals cover heads, red and green LEDs. Now these as a combined set can be bought 10 of these for $12. 30 gauge colored wires. You will see later why I need multicolored wires, and 30 gauge is because I want to have a very narrow gauge so that the wires behind the signals don't look bulky, but at the same time 30 gauge is something I can work with. And some bolts of wood that I will cut and use for the signal post. Next task is how to wire the LEDs. The simplest is to have the green and red LEDs connected in parallel with anode and cathode reversed as shown in the schematic. This way only 2 wires are needed to supply power from the switch that operates turnouts to the signal. But this ran into 2 problems. One is the green light intensity was much more than the red, as you can see here. I didn't like it. The second problem was when 2 of these were connected with polarity reversed, the green didn't light up in some cases. By trial and error I found the reason, but I will skip that detail here. So to overcome this, I adopted a 3-wire system in which light intensity can be controlled by 2 separate resistors. By trial and error, the 2 resistors were decided to be 2.2K and 22K ohms respectively. You can see now the light intensities are similar. In fact, in real, they are much closer than even these digitized images that you see here. Now let me stop talking so that you can enjoy some trains running with the working signals.